Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to set up Hey Google on your Android phone, so you can just say Hey Google and have Gemini open up. So we can just go to the top right and swipe on down, go to settings, and locate Google services could be at the top here. So let's go on down. You can see it keeps popping up on me. Go to Google services and choose this. Then go to all services, scroll on down. And we are looking for search assistant and voice. Then we can go to where it says Google Assistant. Now there should be an option under here for voice match. You can just select that, and then you're going to have to say a bunch of sentences to hook this up. But this is what it looks like after you do it. So it should be just somewhere on the top, voice match. So you can scroll on down. We have some different options for this too. So once you set up voice match, you can go on over to Gemini now. And there's an option on here for Hey Google. Talk to Gemini hands-free. Or you can just come to this section directly, and it has match voice right there. And just turn it on, and then you gotta go to voice match. You can see it says turn off. So you can turn it off if you want. You can use it during driving too, and then you just turn it on. And then you gotta do this stuff right here, where you have to, match your voice and stuff. So let's just turn it on. Looks like we're all set. I don't have to do that again. Good. So just go to the Gemini section and you should be able to find it right now. So I'm not going to save the audio on there. So let's just turn on Hey Gemini or Hey Google. Alright, so that works. Then you just got to say Hey Google. So very easy to set up. It's not too bad. Gemini, Hey Google right there. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out.